In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix verification required App Store. If you keep seeing that pop up whenever you try to download or update apps, even free ones, it usually comes down to one of two things. There's an active subscription tied to your Apple ID, or your payment method needs attention. I'll walk you through a clean, safe way to resolve it so you can get back to the App Store without interruptions. Start on your iPhone by opening the Settings app. At the very top, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. This is where all your purchases, subscriptions, and payment details live, so making changes here updates what the App Store checks behind the scenes. Before touching your payment method, take a moment to review your subscriptions. Tap Subscriptions, then look under Active. If you see something you no longer use or want, tap it and select Cancel Subscription. This step matters because if you update or add a payment method with unwanted subscriptions still active, you could be charged automatically on the next renewal date. Canceling now helps prevent surprise charges. Keep in mind that when you cancel, you usually keep access until the current billing period ends, and you can resubscribe later if needed. Next, head back to your Apple ID page and tap Payment and Shipping. Here, tap your current payment method to verify everything. Make sure the card isn't expired, the billing name and address are accurate, and the postal code matches what your bank has on file. Small mismatches can trigger verification prompts, so it's worth double checking. If the details look fine but the message keeps appearing, the most reliable fix is to add a new payment method, such as another credit or debit card or PayPal if available in your region. If you don't have another method handy, tap Edit in the top right, remove the current method, then tap Add Payment Method and re-enter the same details. This simple refresh often clears Apple's verification check and resolves lingering flags on the account. After you update or refresh your payment information, restart your iPhone. A quick restart helps your device reload account settings and ensures the App Store sees the latest changes. Now open the App Store and try downloading or updating an app again. In most cases, the verification required message will be gone and your downloads should proceed normally. That's it. You fixed the verification required issue on the App Store. If this helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick, practical tips to keep your iPhone running smoothly.